Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my friend. We are from Group 1. We will present our final project in Network Engineering Design. This is the member of the group. There is Firda, Gayu, Lukman, Muhammad Reza, and Nisa. My name is Nisa. Nisa Aning Istifani. The ID number is 1102130174. This is the outline of the presentation. There is background, problem, identification, star topology, network SIM, component use, network testing, and the last is closing. This is the background of the case. So we are a company that assists to design a network between Gedung Karang, Gedung B, and manufacture building. We should use our devices um, such as a computer, hardware, switch, router, and etc. This is the identifying of the problem. The first one is how to design and create a local network in the Facultas of Rekayasa Industri. And then the next is how to share the devices with others. And then we should able to design the network and connect it to each other. And the last is how to create effective and efficient network. The next is
Okay, my name is Kayupala. My ID 11021306164. Okay, for this opportunity, our company are assigned to build a network between three buildings. So the main goals is how to design and create a local network to facilitate the data sharing between three buildings. So we decide to use the star topology, and these are the advantages of star topology. So it's centralized management, so it more easy to monitor all the networks and easy for wiring, no disruption to the networks when connecting or removing devices, uh, easy to detect the fault, easy to maintain, and easy to connect if there is a new nodes. The purpose. So the purpose here we need to fulfill our data processing and data security. How to improve uh, the processing data and security data in higher quality, facilitate communication process within the buildings, provide effective and efficient communication for employees, assist in preparing all unit of both computer software and hardware, and can be connected to a computer network, local area networks. Speed up the search process and data sharing. And here is the topology we have. So we are connecting three buildings in one connection, in one networks. So this is manufacturer building, Karang building, and the rest is building B. So we have to put the server for each the server device for each building. This square means 2 floors, so and 3 square means three floors, and then this one also 3 floors. So after that, we should put the switch between the server and the hub. So each floor, we decide to put each a hub. We decide to put before. So in manufacture building we have 2 hubs, 3 hub for gedung Karang and three hubs for gedung B. And this is the star topology network. So um, and each hub connected with many nodes here. This one also. Okay. Oh, for next presentation will be presented by Reza.
Okay, thank you, Bayu. Good morning, everybody. My name is Muhammad Reza Permana, and my student ID number is 11021300037. Next, I will inform you about the component we are using and the allocation of budget that we are need to know. The first of all, we need the several computer for server and client. We have the different processor for the server and the client here, and then the motherboard difference also, and then the hard disk different also with the server and client, and then we have memory of RAM, and then we have DVD rewrite for the server, we have mouse and keyboard also, we are using casing, we are using monitor LED, and then we are use the original operating system, and then we are using UPS. For all of this computer, the budget estimation is around 500 million rupiah. And then the network interface that we are needed is hub, switch, router Wi-Fi, Ethernet card, UTP cable, and then the last is RJ45 switch. And then for all of total price that we are need to allocate is around 500 million rupiah. This total price that we are allocate is have a differentiation between the clients and server computer, and we have 3 server computer and then 35 computer for the clients. And then here the network setting that we are use, this protocol is using TCP/IP network that we are assume for the following steps. The class C network, and then the subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. And then the IP configuration server is 192.168.3.10/27. And then this is the binary format 81 dot sorry 1111.111.111.111.111.111.111.00000. And then the number of network we have to use is 8, and then the number of hosts is 30, so the total is 38. And then this is the network setting, the IP address differentiation between each building. We have network IP address 192.168.3.10 in manufacturing building. That the range IP address is between 192.168.3.11.11 until 192.168.3.30. And then for the C building first floor is the network ID is 192.168.3.32. And then for the C building second floor and third floor, we are using 192.168.3.64. For B building first floor, we are using 192.168.3.96. And then the last is for B building in the second and the third floor, we are using network ID 192.168.3.128. And then for test our implementation of this network engineering, we need to test. We need to know that this configuration, this topology is usable or reliable or not. And then we need to ensure that this computer is have connection to each other. the server to the client or the client to another client. And then we need to ping each other. We can test to connect that firewall is already activate, and then ping to client to the server, or client to client, or from server to another client or another server. And then we need to try sending the data or share the data between the client to the another client inside of the same building or different building. And then this is our closing. So we hope our proposal is accepted by the company from Fakultas Rekayasa Industri. So we have need to we hopefully cooperate, and then we hope to be realized soon, and then this project is can be implemented in Fakultas Rekayasa Industri. And then this is our reference that we are using for searching the allocation of the budget we need to know. And then thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.